Welcome everyone to my new video on Solana price analysis and technical details. It is February 9th and we're looking for some interesting information on the video. In the meantime, for those of you interested in ChatGPT bot trading, make sure to check out my main YouTube channel where we have live trading going around, where we have performance of the bot and we have some indicators and discussions as well correlated, so it's worth watching that one as well if you're interested in trading. At the same time, for Solana, well, the news sector is telling us that we have some great news coming out from Brave Browser. Solana integration into Brave Browser drives up Solana's price, which is obviously a great news out there. News integration with Brave Browser, it can boost the price. It has a mechanism and a tokenomics to benefit the price, which is the great idea behind. Now, obviously, things are going to be more likely attached to the whole crypto market in the way Solana is going to move. And it's very important to see if there is any other correlation with the FTX anymore, because that is, from my opinion, in the way it has decreased, whales are only going to speculate Solana from now and have a hard time basically investing large amounts into an unsafe field, which Solana proved to be. Now, I'm not speaking because I'm not enjoying seeing the reality, but most likely I must speak the reality in order for you to find protection in the effects, right? So if there's someone risking millions of dollars in Solana these days, is exposing to high risks, which do not mean that the outcome on a temporary base standard cannot be good. It can be good, basically. Of course it can be good, it can be worth it, but there is much more chances to play against you on the long run. So we got to be careful, and obviously we compare with the cost of opportunity, right? So that's what it is. Now, Cardano's Charles Hoskinson trolls Solana over Grizzlython. Didn't knew about it, but I'm not gonna look into those things right now. And this not much going on in the news sector. Solana went into a shadow place of the space right now. For those of you which are interested in our ChatGPT bot trading, we have our activity and movement that we're performing. This is basically our day trading activity with the bot, and you can join us if you think so. We have two options. Option number one is without any prior fees, and it's basically a commission that we charge from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading through API for you on the bot side. Option number two is based on the monthly fixed fee, where you execute the trades for yourself and we send you the signals. This is coming with a fixed fee at the beginning, right? So we have two options: without fees, where we perform the trading, or with the ability for you to do it, and then it's a signal based and you do it. Now, our page explains it all, and you can find out more information here. Day trading has been generating great performance with ChatGPT, and I talk about it a lot in my videos as well. In the meantime, for those of you that would like to find out more about my one-on-one coaching, that's a great solution for someone that wants to learn how to trade basically and become a professional in this field. From A to Z, I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Now, what's happening on the charts could be one of your questions. Well, this is 30-minute candlesticks. We have a couple of indicators attached here, and we're looking for seeing Solana's price, which reacted decently at $22 major support. There is a mixture of support that pops out at this level, which comes horizontally in a zone format, right? This is really strong from the past, has been doing a great job. And then we have basically the trending line that holds the whole picture very well and drives the things in a great direction. On the other side, there's two resistances, one of the February trend, which is this. The other one is actually coming in from January, major top. And that resistance for Solana is valid as well, correlates with a different structure. So anything near to $24 here that we might visit will be difficult to break out. If we succeed breaking out, we need to be careful, because 25 to 26 is major structure resistance of a zone. careful with that one as well. What about the Wonder Trend indicator that's attached at the same time? The Wonder Trend indicator right now speaks that the market is under selling pressure domination. But this selling pressure domination is always ending basically in the indicator transforming its color into yellow, and then from yellow it goes into green. So we're looking forward to seeing some yellowness. Every time the market goes above right now, it will be yellow. And then a major retest must happen. The retest needs to go somewhere around 22.5. Now, that retest has to be purchased, has to be bought up if it finds support, because at that time we have a confirmation of the change of the color, and the result of that is always the green's domination, even for short term, but it's fine because it's 30-minute candlesticks. Nothing to worry on it. Domination, which could appear until the levels of, like I've mentioned, it already starts to appear slightly above $23 resistance. Not only at 24, it already starts appearing from 23.2. So be careful with that. Beautiful guys, that's all for today. Quick video straight to the point with useful information. Once again, for those of you that would like to improve your skills and change the results of your activity, you need to work on the cause, on the source of the results, which is your education and skills. That's why we have designed the one-on-one coaching directly with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade between 4 to 6 weeks on live conversations with homework and whatnot. More details can be found on my page. As well, you have a video explaining it how it works, and you can register now for a free conversation with me, where I'll take you to the next level. Have a good time, folks, and we'll talk to you soon.